is up, guys? It is cows. Hashtag team cows. Comment down below to win an iTunes gift card. And today we are gonna do a geometry dash light let's play scratch for some weird reason. But we are gonna get right into this first level. And yeah, let's start this level. So Let's turn down below. So do that. So do that. I have tried this before, and I thought it would be good to do a YouTube video about it. And yeah, I don't know what that's going on my computer. It's like it's not actually how it is on my phone, but this is not how it actually is. So right now, that. Okay. Da. Oh man, I was so close. For some weird reason, every time I get to that part, I die. Weird. Now we can throw some stuff and go to grab. Yeah. What is it? Just looking I'm trying to get the thing. Whoa, so I got that. Now I can beat the level because I have to. And please subscribe also. And if whatever reviews, oh, your best 728. That's how actually I like subscribers. Probably gonna get that one subscribers on this vid. So yeah. But I'm not actually down to do that here. I'm gonna do it on 2 levels on this first one, second, I'm do it. Let's go on third. And yeah. Yes, going to go. No one. This could be far. That's it. But I think it's pretty good. Yes. Oh, and check out some of our other videos uploaded, and yeah. Why? Doing it. There. Yep. Go, 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 go. There. There. Oh, it's counting, yeah.
You recording?
Yeah. That's Sam, my brother. He's been making videos. Woo! I completed a level! Woo! I completed a level! Woohoo! Now we are on level 2. Track. So let's try this. Yeah. Oh, I was not focusing. Sorry. Good. What? Dots. Yeah, things. Like that. Okay. For real! For real! For real! There. I got the this was only done by watching YouTube. So I think the next TV. If you want, you can check out this video. Kidding. Since I did that, I think this is you don't look cool. Just a random. Ugh. Just a random rock. Right? Green rock. Well, that's cool. Well, what's happened that time? Maybe that's in the sun. Hey. I'm completing so bad. I can't defeat this level. Someone just pretend this is on YouTube. 3. Why? This game's so complicated. Two levels to make this part 1. Why? Why? Aw. Why? Oh my gosh. Excellent. Okay, maybe we should just pause the video right there. Try to fourth. Oh, there's only 3. There's only 3. There's only 3 levels. That's good. I can beat this. I literally do this all in one. Easy. Crap. Yeah. No! So tired of this. The best time, the best time. Yeah! Try to do the best.